Everyone keeps asking me, why is hummus in the Middle East so smooth and creamy? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a very smooth and creamy, delicious hummus. Let's start.
You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want.
First, I prepare these chickpeas that have been cooked already. So it's 400 grams of chickpea, and I start by draining it into this colander and preserving the water. It's very important, and I'll show you later. While the chickpeas drain, I'm going to prepare the second element of this hummus, which is the tahini sauce. And that is important because I'm separating the two from each other, whipping the tahini sauce separately, and then adding the chickpeas after, and grinding them together is going to give me that creamy sauce. And first adding 100 grams of tahini, which you can buy from any supermarket, 2 lemons, a bit of black pepper, and 100 milliliter of warm water. I start the tahini sauce by whisking in 100 milliliter of warm water. And the next step is a magical step, is when I add the lemon juice onto the tahini, which will thicken it and makes it the tahini sauce that we all love. And now you will see how the tahini sauce is getting thicker as I whisk in the lemon juice. It's a chemical reaction between the sesame oil and the acid in the lemon juice. So in with the chickpeas, half of the water of the chickpeas. Very important piece of information that I learned from my mother is to take the germ out of the garlic, because this causes the food to taste bitter. You don't want that. Pinch of salt, 2 pinches. Garlic in, black pepper and chili flakes. Last but not least, half a teaspoon of freshly ground cumin. And I'll just mash everything together. It's already smooth. I can't believe how nice this chickpea is. Now I'm ready to add my tahini sauce into this. I don't even have to use my hand blender. I'm using my maurice to combine the tahini and the hummus paste, and it's already looking amazingly creamy. It smells good. This is proper hummus, mate. And I'll garnish it with some chickpeas that I saved from the can, fresh flat leaf parsley sprig. Last but not least, the holy liquid of the Mediterranean, extra virgin olive oil. Lots of it. Well, there you have it, a totally vegan, delicious hummus made by you at home, from chickpea to plate. Bon appetit. My name is Iyad Qasem. I am a qualified chef from Le Cordon Bleu here in London. I love the French technique, and I'm applying the French technique of cuisine and pâtisserie into my Middle Eastern and Mediterranean food. Subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like my recipes.